your brother. And I'm back, you see. Oh, hi, brother. Can you please leave? No. I got me a machine. I know you think I'm totally mean. I'm gonna test this on the duck. See if he can turn into pop! Hey man, what the heck, bro? Yeah, cut that out. Or maybe you should eat a bro. Hey there. No! Laser blast. Dodge. Come on. I ain't going to Great Wolf Lodge. Why are we singing? Actually, let's not stop. Shouldn't we be fighting and not singing? Let's do this. Blast! Ow! No! 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 Out of the way! You wanna fight? Hey, fat boy, you wanna fight? I'm not fat. Hook, 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 clink, 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 clink. What's going on? Run away! Why'd I run over here? No! 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 Help me! I'm like that. I'm like that. Clink, 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 clink. Ow! Wait, before you end the video, tell me what is Shadow Freddy? It's basically, why aren't you evil? Well, technically he is, but the evil side is just you. What? Basically, when your mother died, she gave birth, and the baby will split into two halves. You're the good side, he's the evil. That makes sense. Be gone, demons! Fine, we'll leave, but we'll be back.